In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Zapier. We'll walk through the full setup process of creating a simple automation that sends Calendly booking details into Google Sheets. This is a great way to automatically organize appointments without having to copy information manually. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're on your dashboard, click Create and select Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define what should happen when someone books time through Calendly. Start by clicking the trigger step. In the search bar, type Calendly, then select it from the list of apps. Next, choose a trigger event. A common option is invitee created, which tells Zapier to run the automation whenever a new Calendly booking is made. After that, click Continue. Now you'll connect your Calendly account. Click Sign In, then log into Calendly and authorize Zapier to access the booking data it needs. Once that connection is complete, return to Zapier and select the Calendly account you just connected. Click Continue again to move forward. At this point, Zapier needs to make sure the trigger is working properly. Click Test Trigger and verify that Zapier pulls in sample Calendly booking data. This sample helps confirm the connection is working and also gives you data to use in later steps while building the automation. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Next, set up the action step. Click the Action section, search for Google Sheets, and select it as your action app. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier to add a new row to your spreadsheet every time a new Calendly booking comes in. Now connect your Google Sheets account. After that, choose the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the booking data to be stored. Once selected, you'll map the Calendly fields to the columns in your sheet. For example, you can match the invitee name, email address, event name, and meeting date to the appropriate spreadsheet columns. Taking a moment here to map fields carefully will help keep your data clean and easy to review later. When the mapping is done, click Continue. Then click Test Step and verify that a new row is successfully added to Google Sheets. This confirms that your automation is passing data correctly from Calendly into your spreadsheet. If the test looks good, click Publish to activate the Zap. To make sure everything works in a real scenario, create a test booking in Calendly. Finally, confirm that the booking data is automatically sent to Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.